Dear students, today I discuss the chapter lens. From this chapter, today I discuss the formula for refraction through a thin lens. That is called the lens maker's formula. The very important formula. So last class I discussed the refraction of the lens and some other properties, and now today discuss the lens maker formula. You have seen the diagram on the whiteboard. This is the thin lens having thickness is small t and refractive index with respect to area is small n, and this is the point object, and lens having two surfaces, one is p1 other is p2, so it's a curvature is r1 and r2 respectively. So here O is the point object. So this point object distance from p1 is u and its image formed in next side at point I dash, that is virtual image here. So for the first phase, for the first surface P1, its image formed virtual at point I dash, and for surface P2, second phase of the lens, this virtual image I dash treat as a object, virtual object, and its real image will be formed for surface P2 at point I. This is the general property of this lens maker's formula. Okay, now from this formula, when the medium is same in both sides, so the lens is placed, that is air here. So suppose thickness of the lens is t and surface is P1 and P2. Its radius of curvature is capital R1 and R2 respectively. Refractive index of the lens with respect to air is small n, and lens is capital L. This is the convex lens and thin convex lens, and here this is a point object which are placed from the first surface P1 and distance is u, and form the image at point I dash in the next arm, and its length distance from first from P1 is v dash. Letter O is a point object. Its image formed at I dash by refraction formula, n upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to n minus 1 upon r. This is the general formula. So from here, so v is here v dash, so this is v dash, this become refractive index is n and u is here u, and radius of curvature is r1 for first surface P1. I have clear here. For second surface, P2, virtual image X as a image as a object, and its image formed at I. Therefore, now from second condition, in this situation, surface P2 virtual image I dash treated as a object and its image found at point I. So in this situation, it's from refraction formula, from refraction formula. So you know general formula is n upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to n minus 1 upon r. This is general formula. So now applied for this condition. Now applying. So here n is here ray will be moved air to denser to air. So by this reason, you know, its refractive index become reciprocal. Because you know Ang is equal to 1 upon Gna. Ang is equal to 1 upon Gna. By this, from this property we are writing right here in place of n 1 upon n. Okay. And now image v, distance of image. So image is found here I. So its image is v. So here write v. Okay. And object distance from this to here. Here, so this is t, so t v dash minus t. So here you write the v dash minus t. And second surface, so this is an R2. So now multiplying by n, so this become 1 upon v minus n upon v dash minus t. Here 1 minus n upon R2. So here t is very small with respect to v dash, so eliminate. So this become 1 upon v minus n upon v dash is equal to minus n minus 1 upon R2. Take second. So now adding first and second. Adding equation first and second. We have, so n upon v dash cancel. So this become 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to, take n minus 1 and 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Okay. If object place at infinity, then image formed at second focus. This is general property, this is rule. So if u is equal to infinity, so v become f. So from this condition, this formula means, that means third equation from third. So this become 1 upon v, that is here f, and u, that is the minus 1 upon u. Infinity is equal to n minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So this become 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is the lens maker formula. This is the lens maker formula. I hope no problem here. So all things are clear, very clearly you can understand. So I hope no problem here. Was only one important point condition is arise from the diagram. Once you can, I repeat here, so you listen very carefully. Here we are taking a thin convex lens and two surfaces P1 P2, and its radii curvature is R1 and R2 respectively. and for first phase point O we have is a point object and its image formed at point I dash in the case of surface P1. In the second case, that means surface P2. Surface P2 acts for surface P2 acts I dash virtual image as a virtual object, and its image will be formed at point I. So this is the basic condition which arise here, and on solving we get that result. I hope there is no any formula. That formula is very important for examination point of view, and that formula is known as the lens maker formula. Okay.